Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite Chinese recipe. Let's see how to make Veg Ball Manchurian. Into a bowl add some shredded cabbage, some carrots, finely chopped onion, some ginger and garlic, salt, and very little bit of red chili sauce. Now mix everything together and let it rest for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, squeeze out all the excess water from it. Then add in some corn flour and all-purpose flour and mix it. And make this into a soft dough like this. Now take small portions and make veg balls. If it's not coming together like this, you can add more flour. You can make these balls 1 or 2 days before and freeze it. Now heat some oil in a pan and fry these balls on a medium flame. Now our fried veg balls are ready. Now take another pan, add some oil, fry some chopped garlic, add some green onion and 1 onion chopped. Saute this on a high flame. Now add some capsicum, add in red chili sauce, soy sauce, some tomato sauce, some vinegar, and saute it. Now if you want to make the dry veg ball manchurian, you can add the fried balls at this point of time, but I'm gonna make this in a gravy, so I added 1 cup of water. Now let's bring this to a good boil. Now add some cornflour slurry. To make this, mix 2 tablespoons of water and corn flour. Mix it, and once the liquid becomes thick, add the fried veg balls. Finally, add some spring onions. Now let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. And you can serve it hot. Now our tasty and delicious veg ball manchurian is ready. So definitely try it out and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more videos from our channel.